What's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. Google I/O just dropped the official Android 12 Beta 1 that reveals some deep secrets on the Google next big thing. The next big Samsung X Google project that is even beyond the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. One of Samsung X Google collaboration has been officially Tizen OS combined with the Wear OS for a big upgrade. It's gonna be available for all those OEMs to use. Not just that, we have got an absolutely amazing upgrade for the Galaxy Watch 4. Before we get into all of that, we now know who Google has chosen for the camera for Pixel 6 Pro. According to Yogesh on Twitter, who's got a respectable track record, and he says that the Pixel 6 Pro is rocking a large 50 megapixel unannounced Sony sensor. This Sony sensor is rumored to be that brand new IMX800 sensor, which is one of the largest smartphone sensors out there. Apart from this mega upgrade for the main camera, it's got an 8 megapixel optical zoom that goes up to 5x level. Ultra wide angle lens is also available, and color correction sensor is the fourth sensor which is coming inside. He further says, for now this is what Google has decided, but the mass production will start in the month of August, so something can still change. So Google is once again going with the Sony, but I'm gonna support this decision because we have not seen an IMX800 sensor in action, so it could just be a good sensor out of all the sensors that we have seen right now. Google is not taking any chances this time, and they are going big. They are going hard, and it might just bring them back to that number one smartphone camera position. Now, going beyond the Google Pixel 6 device, we now have some confirmation on the upcoming foldable Pixel device. Google just made the Android 12 Beta 1 official, and I'm going to be talking those features later in the video. And we just got some codename leaks for multiple Google devices, including the Pixel 5a, two Pixel 6 devices, and then codename Passport, which is rumored for the upcoming foldable Pixel device. This is another Samsung X Google collaboration, as we know Samsung is rumored to give Google their 8-inch to 7.3-inch foldable display. Google, as we know, is the father of Android. They are gonna have a complete control over pure Android 12 version, and you will see on this foldable Pixel device. I can't wait to see what Google ultimately does. It might even pick up the same camera setup as the Pixel 6 Pro. We will see about that, but this pretty much confirms that a foldable phone from Google is in the works. Now, coming back to the official stuff that was announced at Google I/O, first we have the Android 12. Android 12 is the biggest software update since the Android 5.0 Lollipop. We got a brand new UI, all new appearance, and a look for the quick toggles and the quick notification. Google has also updated the lock screen. We have some brand new security indicator, and this is definitely the most secure Android version ever. And the best of all, every smartphone which will be getting the Android 12 update will get a performance boost. According to Google, Android will have a 22% reduction in the CPU runtime, which means faster performance, faster app launch, and it's got smoother animation. Overall, this upgrade is absolutely amazing, and considering Google is working on their own custom silicon, the optimization level on the Pixel 6 Pro could be absolutely insane. Also, Samsung and Google has combined forces to bring the Tizen Wear OS, and this brand new software will bring 30% faster app launch, better battery life, and a faster animation. Now, speaking of the Android watches, we have got a flagship watch is coming soon from Samsung, aka the Galaxy Watch 4. According to Ice Universe, it will pack an amazing bezel-less narrow design, a new 5nm Tizen Wear OS, and it will be even have a bigger battery. This will be Samsung's best shot at competing against the Apple, or perhaps even creating the best smartwatch out there. So that's all the latest news. Google Pixel Fold is in the works, and the Pixel 6 Pro is getting a massive camera upgrade. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about these new devices, and if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Peace!